Hey everyone. This week, the most interesting stories about how our world keeps spinning around artificial intelligence. And if you think AI is already everywhere, you're right. Even in hospitals, it now knows when it's time for your pills. So sit back, hit that like button, and let's dive in. According to The Guardian, analysts are warning again about a possible AI bubble. Big tech companies, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, plan to spend nearly $500 billion next year on data centers and chips. The question is, are we moving too fast? Remember the Bitcoin hype? Everyone shouted, "This is the future!" while someone quietly sold at the top. On one hand, AI really drives everything from search to medicine. Samsung, for example, just unveiled the Galaxy Vision XR headset, its own Vision Pro rival powered by AI, a smart headset that adjusts the interface to your gaze. Next step, it'll adjust your mood too. But the market is overheated and profits are still limited to a few players. So this AI revolution could easily turn into an AI crash if the bubble bursts. Yet, as history shows, when the hype fades, the real innovators remain. So, if you follow AI trends or invest in tech, remember, not everything that glitters is intelligence. Sometimes it's just marketing. All right. Let's move from financial bubbles to saving real lives.
This week, several major U.S. healthcare systems, including Houston Methodist and Stanford AI, reported that AI tools are already helping doctors. Now, a doctor can simply ask, "What do we know about this patient's labs for the past 6 months?" And the system responds in seconds. That's what I call the doctor of the future. No lab coat, no coffee. AI also helps manage hospitals, predicting patient flow, optimizing schedules, reminding nurses about treatments. Of course, there are still questions. Who's responsible if AI makes a mistake? And are patients ready to trust a machine with their health? Still, the speed and accuracy are impressive. And if these systems truly help save lives, maybe that's the kind of intelligence worth trusting. Just as long as it doesn't start prescribing chips and Netflix.
So this week was a mix of contrasts. Some fear the tech bubble, others are already healing people with AI. And for us, the best we can do is stay curious, keep smiling, and not lose our minds in this digital madness. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and tell us in the comments, do you fear AI or do you believe in its miracle? Thanks for watching. You're the best. See you next time.